Hello DHgate shoppers, want your orders delivered super fast in this year? Well, DHgate's a goldmine for deals on electronics, fashion and more, but shipping from China or global warehouses can take weeks. So let us talk about this. At checkout on dhgate.com or the DHgate app, pick express shipping with carriers like DHL, FedEx, or UPS for delivery in 3 to 7 days to the US versus 10 to 35 days for standard or 30 to 40 days for sea freight. It costs more, $10 to $30 depending on weight, but it's worth it for speed. I skipped express once and waited a month. Don't do that. So filter for products with ships from your country, for example US or the UK, or the products page to cut shipping to 3 or 10 days. Check seller ratings as well, aim for 95 plus positive, and confirm local stock via chat, as some listings mislead. Look for fast dispatch or 24-hour dispatch tags for quicker processing. Place orders Monday to Tuesday to avoid weekend delays and steer clear of holidays like Chinese New Year, which can add 5 to 10 days. After ordering, track your package in My Orders or on 17track.net with the seller's tracking number. If delayed, message the seller via online chat or open a dispute for refunds. Okay, and as a conclusion, choose sellers with DHgate on-time delivery guarantee for accountability. For bulk orders, use a China sourcing agent like Sourcing Wise to streamline customs and ship via express. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, drop them below. Happy shopping. See you next time.